Hi guys! For today's video, ay may sasagutin lang akong isang katanungan galing sa isa sa ating mga viewers dito sa YouTube, and hindi pa siguro siya familiar about dito sa Shopee affiliate. Kaya, ginawan ko na lang din ng video tutorial para marami din ang makakapanood and marami ang makakaalam about dito sa Shopee affiliate. So, ang tanong niya, kadiskarte, paano raw i-acknowledge ang pending payout dito sa Shopee? So, para maintindihan or malaman mo, panoodin mo itong video.
Hi guys, to this video, I have new information to share with you again. A step-by-step tutorial if you are new to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will teach you a lot about our topic today. By subscribing, I will work harder to always upload videos that will surely help you.
Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa ating Shopee account, and pagkatapos niyan ay i-click natin itong affiliate program. And i-click natin itong income na may $sign. And dito sa bandang ibabaw guys, basahin natin. Please process the receipt to receive your commission. So yan guys, i-click lang natin ang check out now. So kadiskarte, pwede mo din i-click itong nasa ibaba na may kulay orange na circle. Ngayon guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo na pending acknowledge. Kailangan natin i-acknowledge yan para makareceive tayo ng earnings next month. So yan guys, na-acknowledge na natin, and wait na lang natin ang ating earnings for the next month. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching until my next vlog.